New at 6, as more migrants continue to try to enter the United States, many seeking asylum, what awaits them here is a federal immigration court system with millions of cases backed up for years. That's only expected to get longer as more people continue to flee their home countries.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora is looking at the backlog here and how we compare to other states.
Crossing the border, thousands seek to stay in the U.S.
Mucho frío en la frontera. Es aterrador el frío. Pero en un momento pensé que yo no lo iba a soportar.
But once here, they join millions legally waiting for their immigration case to be decided. Darius Amiri is the chair of the immigration department at Rose Law Group and has been practicing immigration law for more than a decade.
It can be a long process in many cases.
According to data compiled by researchers at Syracuse University, more than 2 million people are waiting for their immigration court case to be heard across the U.S. Arizona is 23rd when it comes to the number of backlogged cases, totaling more than 17,000. As for how long it takes now to get a hearing, researchers estimate the average time in Arizona to be 663 days, about a year and 10 months.
When I started my career, we had 3 immigration judges here in Phoenix. I think they've expanded that number to 6 or 7 now. And I think that does help address the backlog, but it is still a long time between when someone, seeking asylum, for example, first gets here versus when they have their first hearing.
Title 42, the public health policy enacted under the Trump administration that's continued under the Biden administration, has allowed the government to quickly send migrants seeking asylum back to their home country or Mexico, continues to remain in place, waiting on a U.S. Supreme Court hearing in February with a decision to follow. Still, latest numbers from CBP between October and November show a 4% increase in migrant encounters at the southern border.
The amount of people that are coming to the country puts even more of a strain on the system.
That strain, Amiri says, puts pressure on the Biden administration to tackle the backlog.
Hiring judges is one of them. Tools such as prosecutorial discretion, where you can go through and pick out cases that you could prioritize. Those are all tools that they have to address the backlog.
Amiri agrees with other immigration advocates that we've talked to that migrants who cross the border in Arizona often don't stay here. They go to join relatives and sponsors in other parts of the country. He says, though, that they cross to the southern border because they have to be on U.S. soil to claim asylum. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.